Handling painful goodbyes. Lesson 4. There are moments when he or she says, I'm done with you. There are also moments when you say, I'm done with you. Here are helpful tips to maintain your mental well-being.
Number 1. Rejection does not mean that you are a rejection. If you have been refused and dumped, you are not a refuse dump. Treat yourself as someone whose standards were not similar to the one who rejected you.
Number 2. Bid them farewell. If you don't bid them farewell, continued ties may always cause pain to the wound of separation. Cut ties with your ex, or else you may become a victim of emotional blackmail.
Number 3. When you feel the urge to go back, remind yourself of the pain that pushed you to part. The reason why you are no longer together is critical. What are the bad things that occurred when you were together? How was the relationship a drawback and a letdown?
Better break the engagement before marriage than separate after marriage. Letters to Young Lovers, page 52.
Our prayer is that our young people may have good mental health in the midst of painful goodbyes. I am yours truly, Soneni Dube.
And I'm Skhumbuzo Dube.
Your thoughts on this lesson? Leave your comments below.
Thank you for watching.
Brought to you by Shunem K.